Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another review for you guys and I'm going to be talking about this Zomei Beauty LED ring light. This one right here. Alright guys, I had to stop the video for a second because I am doing a giveaway. I'm going to be giving a brand new Zomei LED ring light exactly like this one. All you need to do is subscribe, like, and comment down below. I'll be checking, so make sure you do all of that. And I'm going to be picking a winner at random in 2 weeks. So last day to enter the giveaway would be November 2nd, and I'll be contacting the winner through email, so make sure you write your email in the comments, that way I can reach you. I'm not too sure if this giveaway is international or US only. I have to contact the team who is giving me a ring light for the contest. I'll make sure to let you know as soon as I can. I'll write it down in the title and in the description box. For those of you who are not interested in the contest, I do have a coupon code for you guys. This is a seller from Amazon, so I'll be linking the store down in the description box, and you can purchase the ring light there, and you can use the coupon JackieEFFEX. Oh, I touched my mic. JackieEFFEX to get 20% off. So that's an amazing deal. It's perfect because the holidays are coming soon, so it would be an amazing gift. So that's it guys, let's go back to the video. Okay, so before I dive into the details, I just want to show you very quickly how this light can add a little warmth to the quality of your video, so you can see how the quality looks with my lighting only. And if I just add a little touch of light, see how it instantly gives me a nice glow. So I find this is a beautiful addition to makeup tutorials, beauty tutorials, or any type of video. So for your everyday makeup, this is perfect. This is like a vanity light, so this is perfect. I usually am running when I do my makeup, so I usually do my makeup here, and like you see, the window is on the side, so I never get good lighting on my face. So this is actually perfect for me. So when I hear ring light, I immediately think makeup tutorials because that's what I do. So let's see how this Zomei Beauty LED ring light works. As if we were going to do a makeup tutorial. I'm going to be using 2 different cameras. I'm going to be using the Samsung NX Mini. This one right here, it is the daily vlogging camera that I use. And my phone, because a lot of people record with their phone. So let's go. So for those of you who like to record with their cell phones, that's what I have right now. And I am near a big window, and I'm using the ring light to help illuminate a little bit better. So this is how it looks like. I'm just gonna do my own thing. The only thing that I notice is that you really need to have a steady table, otherwise it moves. So I see that often on videos where people don't have their setup steady and it doesn't look nice. Okay, so now I have it on my vlogging camera, which is the Samsung NX Mini. This is without the lights on. We're going to turn the light on now. And this is with, ooh, okay, there. A little less. And this is with the light on. And it's beautiful. I am very, very impressed with this right now. It really gave me this nice quality look. I would definitely do this if I was in a hurry and I wanted to do like a fast get ready with me video and I didn't want to use or set up all of my lights. I would definitely use this. It's actually, I am really impressed by this light right now. So like I mentioned earlier, I am near a big window, so it's pretty bright outside still, and I think if I were to do a makeup tutorial, I would definitely place myself in front of a window and use this ring light as, in addition to enhance the quality and obviously the visibility and get rid of shadows. As you guys can see, I have no shadows going on under, sometimes under the eye area you get those shadows, and it's really lighting my skin evenly. So now that we have seen how it performs, I just want to talk about certain details that I found that were very nice about this Zomei ring light. First of all, it is very, very light, so very portable if you do your makeup in the bathroom, in your bedroom, in the kitchen, in the living room. It's very easy to move. This is $45.99, and for the price, I love it. I absolutely love it. I really enjoy it. I love how, I mean, you guys saw, and I will insert the videos again. It gave me a nice glow, and the quality of the videos were nice. They were very acceptable. You can see what I was doing. I didn't have any shadows on my face whatsoever. You could see the colors of my lipstick and stuff like that. So it performs very well for the simplicity of what it is. It works super well, and I was very impressed. So if I was to use this Zomei ring light for videos, I would definitely place myself in front of a window, and this is a nice addition to add a little bit of luminosity to the frame. To my surprise, it has an adjustable stand, which is super practical, because if I'm on my bed, because it's kind of short, sometimes I'm a little bit low. So if I'm a little bit low, I can totally bend this and I can see myself. And the opposite, if I find that I'm too low, then I can totally bend this, and there we go, problem solved. And what I also like about this Zomei light is that you can change the intensity. You can play with the intensity of the light, and you can also change the color temperature. So if you want the cool tone, or if you prefer the warm tone, this is the cool tone. So if I were to dim this, and this is the warm tone. If you like the mix of both, that's both right there. You can barely see it because of my camera, but that's another detail that I appreciate very much so. So very nice sized mirror. I do like the length of the cord, but if you find it that it's too short, you can always use an extension cord if you want. Anything with a micro USB works, so that's a plus. So when it comes to the camera holder, you can definitely remove the mirror, and they provide these accessories. This is the 1/4 inch tripod, the standard 1/4 inch tripod mount. It comes with the one you can insert your phone. And personally, I wouldn't go heavier than something like this. I don't think the stand is capable of holding a bigger camera like this one, or the one that I'm recording right now. It's way too heavy for this type of stand, but for this like daily vlogging camera, it's perfect. But I wouldn't go heavier than that. And if you want to record with your cell phone, this is actually perfect. The only thing that I noticed, you have to assemble it yourself, so make sure you really screw in everything, that way it's nice and steady. So that leads me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you're new here on my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked the content. And yeah, as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your support. And I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, and yeah, see you soon.